we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Acer Nitro 50, N50-656-UR12 gaming desktop. That's include built to conquer. The fiery accented, black metal Nitro 50 gaming PC is all the fuel you need for those high-frame, lag-free game sessions. Go on and switch settings to Ultra with an injection of the Intel Core i5-14400F processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics. Intel Core i5-14400F, 10-core processor, up to 4.7 GHz, 16 GB DDR5 5600 MHz memory, expandable to 32 GB, 1 TB M.2, 2280 PCIe Generation 4 SSD. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics with 8 GB of GDDR6 video memory, 3x display ports 1.4a and 1x HDMI 2.1 port. DTS X, Ultra Audio, Intel Wireless Wi-Fi 6EAX211, Gig Plus, 802.11ax supporting dual stream 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands featuring 2x2 MU-MIMO technology. Realtek 8118AS Dragon Gigabit Ethernet. 1. USB 3.2 Gen 2x 220 GB, Type-C port, front, 1, USB 3.2 Gen 2, 10 GB Type-A port, front, 2, USB 3.2 Generation 1, 5 GB Type-A ports, rear, 4, USB 2.0. 480 MB ports, rear, 2, audio jacks, front, 3, audio jacks, rear, 1, RJ45 Ethernet port. USB keyboard and mouse included, Windows 11 Home. The fiery accented, black metal Nitro 50 gaming PC is all the fuel you need for those high-frame, lag-free game sessions. Go on and switch settings to Ultra with an injection of the latest Intel Core i5 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics. Next, toss in its advanced cooling, stellar audio capabilities, and high-speed connectivity and you quickly see why the Nitro 50 delivers a knockout blow to the competition. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.